Here are 4 different ways you can start to make money online. Now, this is going to be relatively low cost to you. The only real thing that you'll have to worry about is putting in the time and the effort to make sure that you can make any of these 4 ways actually be possible for you. So the first thing I want to talk about is content creation. Whether you want to be TikToker, YouTuber, Instagram creator, there are going to be 3 things that you want to make sure that you want to do. One is that you're going to want to be consistent. No matter what you do, you're going to want to always keep posting. 2, you want to make sure you know what your target audience is. So you don't want to just be posting random videos of everything. Make sure you understand who you want to target and make videos specifically for that target group. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you also not only just make videos, but you want to actually communicate with the rest of the community. Leave comments on other people's videos, for example, join some groups, things like that. The next way that you could create money online is by making an online store with a print on demand platform like Printful. Now, with this particular situation, you would not be holding on to inventory. Instead, what you would do is create your designs and then upload them to the platform. You would create a shop, which is also something that can be done for free on these platforms. And then once a purchase is made, the company will take care of making the product and shipping it to the customer. The company also takes care of payment process. So the only thing that you have to worry about is creating sales. I would also like to say thank you to Printful for sponsoring this video. The third way you could create money online is by becoming a freelancer. If you go to a freelancing website such as Fiverr, for example, you could offer your services there. They have plenty of different skills to choose from, such as, I'll go with an example of a video editor. Now, a video editor could go on Fiverr and offer their services, charging $5 per minute. Now, they got plenty of different things that people do on Fiverr. A couple of things that come to mind is business consulting, UGC videos, not just video editing, but photo editing. Yeah, plenty of different things that you could do if you just let your mind think about it for a little bit, or if you decide to go on somewhere like Fiverr and just see what other people are doing, and that might actually give you some ideas of some things that you could do yourself. Now, the last way I got for you is by creating a blog. Now, you can make money with a blog by doing affiliate marketing, or you could eventually get sponsored videos, do some reviews and get paid by the company to do said review or a tutorial on said product that they want people to market. They're somewhat similar to content creation with videos, because you really do need to be consistent with your blogging, and you just have to get an audience and make sure you understand who you are trying to target and just go at it. So hopefully, with all these things being said, this video helped you out. And if it did, why don't you go ahead and leave a like. Make sure you follow Y Tutorials for more information. I want to say thanks again to Printful for sponsoring this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.